Jai Shri Ram to everyone. So today is 22 January. So congratulations to all Ram Bhakts. And now let's start with today's problem. So today we are going to solve day 12 problem. So in this problem we have to determine if the string halves are alike. So we have given a string S of even length. Okay, and we have to split the string into two halves of equal lengths and let A be the first half and B the second half. And two strings are alike if they have the same number of vowels, and notice that S contains uppercase and lowercase letters, and we have to return the true if A and B are alike, otherwise we have to return false. Okay, so in this example you can see a string S is given as book and the output is true. So when we divide this string into two halves, first half contains BO and the second half contains OK. So in both these strings there is only a one vowel, okay, O, and here also O. So A has one vowel and B has one vowel, right? So they both are alike, so that's why we returned true. Okay, so now without any delay, let's start with this code. So now first let's calculate the length of string is equal to s dot length. So now we get the length of a string, and now create one string of vowels. Okay, so this I am creating one string vowels, and in this I am passing one value which consists of all the strings, all the vowels. So A, E, I, O, U, caps lock A, E, I, O, U. So all the string vowels are here in this string, and now after that I am going to count the vowels in first half. So to count the vowels in first half, let's call one method count vowels. So first declare one variable int count of, let's leave it right here, int count of A is equal to, and here call one method count vowels, and in this pass our s dot substring which is starting from 0, s dot substring, and it is starting from 0 till length divided by 2. Okay, and here also I am passing these vowels. Okay, and in the same way, to count the vowels in the second half, we are going to create one more variable int count of B. So it is going to count the vowels in string B. Okay, and here it is going from s dot substrings, just pass this length divided by 2, and there is no end. It is going till end only, so that is why no need to pass any other thing. So here vowels, and in the end we are just going to return true. Okay, if both counts are matching. If count of A is equal to count of B, so we are going to return true. Now define this method private static int count vowels, and here pass string that we are going to first check, string str, and then we are passing the vowel string. So write string vowels, and here in this create one int count as 0, and now after that run one for each loop. So this for loop is going to check each character in the string. Okay, okay, and here for this string convert it to char array. Okay, string dot to char array, So now inside this for each loop we are going to check if this string vowels dot index of C. So if this character of this string is available in vowels, then it is going to give some index. If it is not there, then it is just going to return -1. Okay, so if there is a character there, okay, so if this vowels dot of index of C is not equal to -1, then in that case we are just going to increment the count, and also after that in the end we are just going to return the count. Okay, so here in this way we are going to get the count for each string. First we are going to pass this first half. So when we pass the first half, so here string is bo for this example, and vowels is a, e, I, o, u. So count is equal to 0, and C is going to be for each character of this string. So first it's going to take B, so it is going to check this B is available in this vowels. No. Then it is going to check if O is available in this vowels. Yes, O is available, so it is going to increment the count as 1. Then we pass this value, second half of the string. Again it is going to check for O, it is going to increment the count as 1, and it is going to return the count 1 here. Here first it is going to return count 1, and here also it is going to give the count as 1, and then if both are equal to, then in that case we are just going to return the true. So let's run this code. So our solution is accepted. This is an easy level problem, so I hope that everyone is clear with this problem. So it beats 99.997% of users with Java. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and please hit like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Bye bye. Thank you.